In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create text areas in tkinter. Hello humans, I'm Kyle and welcome to Code for Humans, the channel dedicated to leveling up your coding ability. So to start, what's the difference between a text area and an entry field? Well, entry fields are basically only used for when you want to type in a small amount of information, and therefore we only give the user one line to type in. Text areas are for when we want them to type in multiple things, like when leaving reviews on a website or feedback or comments or what have you. So entries are basically just smaller versions of text areas. But we do have to do a little weird thing when we're pulling the information from it, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So to get started, let's make our text area. So I'll start by saying TA, and let's just say this is a feedback section, and that's equal to tkinter.text. So this only needs to know one thing: what GUI is this text area going on, and that's the root GUI, and then I will just pack it like always. So if we run this, and I'll pull it over, then we can see we have this big text area that I can type multiple lines in. So normally, to get information out of a widget, we just say the name of the widget.get, but text areas work a little bit differently, so let me show you that. I'll make a button, and let's say print text area. So all this is going to do is it's going to print out whatever is in my text area. It's going to call the function that prints out whatever's in my text area. So I'll just say click me for the text, and then for the command, and I'll put this on its own line, the command, let's call print TA. So that's a function we haven't made yet, but I'll do so in just a minute. But first I want to pack the button and make sure it's on my GUI. So now we can go up and make our new function. I'll say def print TA. So this function is going to first pull the text out of the text area and then print it. So I'll say TA text is equal to TA feedback. So the name of our text area widget dot get, and then I will print TA text. But if we were to run this, it doesn't actually work, and that's because when dealing with text areas, we have to give get some more information. Now, I don't understand why the people who made tkinter designed it like this, but I'll show you what works, because that's, at the end of the day, what we're here for. So I'm going to say 1.0 followed by tkinter.end. So what is this? Well, we are specifying the starting and ending indices of the information we want to pull out of the text area. So for whatever reason, again, it's one indexed, so we need to say 1.0, start at the first index, and then go until the end. In tkinter, they actually have the end as a constant within the module. So this is going to dynamically change to however long our text area is. So let's run this and I'll show you what I mean. So I'll type hello code for humans. I'm Kyle. So when I hit click me, I'm going to see all of that print out. So effectively, H is going to be at index 1, and then tkinter.end is going to change. So right now, it is at my current cursor. It's after the E in my name. But if I make another line and type some stuff, then now tkinter.end is equal to this new position. So it's a little strange that we have to do this extra work, but as long as we remember to put 1.0 and tkinter.end, then we're good to go and we can get the text from text areas all the same. As always, a big thank you for liking, subscribing, and ringing that bell. Comment below with suggestions for future videos, and I will see you in the next one.